Cell, the basic unit of life. Cells can be unicellular, that is a single cell performing all types of functions, whereas it can be multicellular, having so many cells. So it is the basic unit of life, just like a house. It is made up of bricks, so many bricks. So multicellular organisms are made up of so many or several cells, and different cells may perform different functions, like muscles perform muscular activity, nerve cells performs transmission of nerve signal. So again, cells can be of two types: prokaryotic cells, which is the primitive type of cells and the internal structures are not very well organized, and eukaryotic cells, they have a well organized internal structure and they have different internal organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes. Eukaryotic cells are well organized, their nucleus is they have a cell membrane, and if you compare the size of a normal typical eukaryotic cell is 10 to 20 micrometer. A typical bacteria, which is a prokaryotic unicellular organism, the size is 1 to 2 micrometer. PPLO, which is the smallest bacteria, the size is 0.1 micrometer, and the size of the viruses is ranges from 0.02 to 0.2 micrometer. Sometimes it is in nanometer. So the viruses cannot be seen in normal microscope. It will be seen only in electron microscope because the size is in nanometer. Now the animal cells and plant cells. This is a picture of plant cell, and there is slight difference between these two types of cell. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall. We can see the outer rigid cell wall, and in contrast to animal cell, they have a chloroplasts and they help in photosynthesis. So these are the two main difference between animal cell and plant cell. This is the animal cell, and you can say all the typical features of a normal eukaryotic cells, like well organized nucleus and nucleolus, and inside the nucleus there may be genetic material like DNA, and in the cytoplasma you can see riboplasm, mitochondria, all other organelles. Now different types of cells, like nerve cells transmit nerve signals, RBC, red blood cells transmit oxygen, muscle cells, epithelial cells form barrier. So they perform different typical functions depending on the type of